Hi, welcome back to Informatica tutorial. In the last class, we have seen what is an unconnected lookup. So, lookup could be connected as well. So, if I have a employee table like this with ID, name, and department ID, so I can source qualifier would be there next to this, and I can pass from source qualifier. I can give connect the lookup and then to the target. So this lookup table could be department, and it has ID and name fields. So I am passing from here department ID to as an input to this lookup and getting this in the output. So I can populate both ID and department ID and department name into the target. So basically this is same thing as before what we have done in unconnected lookup, but this lookup is connected and it is in the inline code. It is basically part of the pipeline. It is not earlier I called I had this lookup table separately called department. I used an expression transformation here to call this lookup and then get the return port. So in case of connected lookup, also this is possible, and in case of unconnected lookup, we got only one return port called DEPT name. In case of connected lookup, we can get more than one output port or return port. Here let's see how to get department name and location ID. So let's see how to do this in Informatica. So I'm going to create a new mapping called employees connected lookup. Here I'm going to use employees as my source table, and I'm going to create one more lookup transformation like before, which I'm calling it as LKP underscore DEPT. From the source, I'm selecting departments table, and I'm interested in getting two ports as output ports and load into the target. So I'm going to add one more port to the target table in the database. So that is basically the location ID, alter table employees, add location ID number. It's a number field. So because I have added one more column, I need to import my target table again from the database. So it is basically employees table, and I'm replacing the existing one. So I got location ID as well now. So this target I'm going to delete from here and drag the newly created, which has the location ID as well, to this one. And now I'm going to configure the lookup properties. I don't need manager ID here. I deleted location ID also by mistake, so let me open this again. I want to delete only the manager ID. Let me do this again. So I deleted only the manager ID. The lookup condition is empty, it says. So let me create an input port for department ID with decimal 4. This is only my input port, and this is only my lookup port, and these two are my output as well as lookup. So the four values which we configured earlier for unconnected lookup also apply to this. So I'm going to leave this as use first value, and I'm going to now give the condition for the lookup. Yeah, this is a correct condition, department ID equal to in department ID. So now I will connect from source qualifier. I'm going to do auto link from the source qualifier to the employees target. So I'll get all the columns except department name and location ID. So those two columns I'm going to connect from here, department name and location ID. I'm going to save this, and now I'll create a workflow to run this. So I'm creating a workflow, and okay, mapping is invalid. Let me check why. That is because I did not connect the input port So let me connect this department ID to this as well, and now let me save this again. Yeah, now this is valid. Now I'll select the mapping and connect these two. I'll configure the session properties now, HR target, and save session log for 5 runs. Stop on errors as 1 and mapping tab. I'll give the source as $source and target as $target, and I'm going to change this to normal, and I'll truncate and load the target table. So let's run this and see how many records we'll get. So we should get 107 records only, with both each of those records in the target table should have both department name and location ID populated. So yeah, here is location ID and department name. So basically we got two output ports this time instead of one. So with connected lookup it is possible. With unconnected lookup it is possible to get only one return port. So if this is like an inline code, within the flow of the mapping this comes, you don't need to call this in a separate expression. But this can be used only at one place, whereas unconnected lookup could be called in multiple places wherever an expression can be called. So yeah, so let's see in next class one more variation of this lookup transformation. Thank you.